Do you have some ID I can take a look at?
You need my ID?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man. What you need my ID for?
Because I'd like to see your ID. You're on Sheriff's Department property filming, so I'd like to know who I'm talking to.
So this Sheriff's property?
Sir, you were over on the Sheriff's Department.
As soon as I watched this video, I commented, absolutely love your work, man. Want me to share this? And he responds with, absolutely, brother. You and Ybor City has helped me a lot, and I'm forever grateful, and I'm in debt with y'all. Appreciate you, man. And Double S comments, SJVT, I was just about to send you this. Laugh out loud. Man, good eye for solid work, Double S. I gotta say, it's pretty cool to see us all connecting like this. And I respond to A Young City, I'm on it. This is how it should be done. Respectful and firm. No need to act a fool with people for no reason. They do that to themselves. It's an honor to shout you out and highlight your work. Never lose sight of what it's all about. Education. Let's get you more support. 100 fist bump. And A Young City replies, you're the best. I gotta tell you guys, it's pretty damn cool to be a part of this wonderful community of awesome, like-minded people who believe in freedom, not just for themselves, but for everybody else. So they go out of their way to go out and record and to preserve the First Amendment. It truly is an honor to highlight this guy's channel. I really like his approach. Funny thing is, I've been doing this a while. I go out and record police as well, but even myself, I'm taking notes because I also need to learn from A Young City. We could all learn from each other. A lot of you guys in the comment section, some of you guys can't go out and record. That's fine. A lot of you help in many ways. We have a strong support base, and like I said, I'm just here for all you guys. I'm here for the people, and I'm here for A Young City as he's here for you guys. So let's all go subscribe to A Young City. I'll see you in this comment section. Here's the video. I won't hold you up any longer. Here's the video.
This is the type of county that there is unused.
Is there something I can help you with?
Huh?
Is there something I can help you with?
I didn't ask for help, ma'am. Thank you. They got needles, unused prescriptions. That's crazy how I came up to the door. I'm sitting there recording and the lady say, sir, can I help you? Ma'am, I didn't press the button. We got New Carrollton police here. What the heck is New Carrollton police doing in Calvert County? And look, you know New Carrollton got that money. They got an RT. Uh-oh. How you doing?
How you doing, sir? I'm just trying to check, see what's going on. I see you come up to the office filming, and now you're filming our vehicles, so I'm just trying to find out what's going on.
I'm not breaking the law, am I?
Didn't say you were, but it's a little suspicious when you come up filming the Sheriff's Department and filming the vehicles, right?
You said suspicious?
Yeah, it's a little suspicious.
How?
Huh?
Y'all got cameras right in front of your building. How is that?
I understand that, sir. Have you seen the climate where police have been attacked and stuff?
Have you seen the climate where black men have been attacked?
Sir, I'm not getting into a debate on all that. I'm just trying to find out what you're doing today.
I'm not either.
Do you have some ID I can take a look at?
You need my ID?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man. What you need my ID for?
Because I'd like to see your ID. You're on Sheriff's Department property filming, so I'd like to know who I'm talking to.
So this Sheriff's property?
Sir, you were over on the Sheriff's Department property.
Okay, who?
It's a suspicious. You're a suspicious person. Can I have your ID, please?
Under what law have I committed?
Sir, you haven't committed a law.
Okay, sir, you don't have to keep circling around. What's your name and badge number?
Lieutenant Bowen.
Okay, Lieutenant Bowen.
Can I see some ID, please?
No, sir.
You can't? Okay.
I haven't broken the law.
You haven't broken the law, but you are coming up here and filming our building.
Okay.
Okay.
Everything is being filmed.
Okay. I'm not sure why you're trying to be so suspicious and hide what you're doing. I'm just asking you a question.
I'm not hiding nothing.
Huh?
I'm not hiding nothing.
Okay, well I asked you why you're filming. I mean, are you making a documentary or?
Yeah, I'm an independent journalist and I'm working on a story.
Okay, what kind of story are you working on?
I don't want to discuss that right now.
Okay. All right, sir. Well, you have a nice day.
You too, sir.
All right.
Stop being hostile.
I wasn't being hostile. Being absolutely polite to you.
So you see this? Let that man go about his day. They hate that. Talking about people attacking police officers. I think more black men are being killed and police are being attacked. I didn't come here and harm nobody. You came here hostile, sir. I know you're gonna look back when you get up there. Look what I say.
Sometimes you can just tell when somebody's gonna be really good at something. I believe this channel is gonna grow, and I believe this guy has what it takes to get your subscription. Head on over there to A Young City's channel. Let him know San Joaquin sent you. Let's connect like we always do. This year's gonna be way better than the last because we're all gonna continue to grow, and we're all gonna continue to be a community of just freedom-loving people from sea to shining sea and all the way across the pond and everywhere else. We're all connecting, and it's amazing to be a part of it. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Thank you.